What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, it's good to see you guys again, man. It's been a few long days. Just wanted to bring you guys up to speed as well. You guys know I have not even touched the i8 as in a sense of watching it, man. Y'all know I used to watch the vet freaking every day, the truck freaking every day, all by hand. And it feels like I haven't even touched this one at all. Haven't even been showing it no love, man. I want to see how clean we can get it. What's the potential on this thing? Meanwhile, bring y'all up to speed on the Harley, because that thing, we did get a couple updates back on it. So we'll probably head up to Harley, see if we can catch him up there so we can get the explanation from him himself. He told me over the phone, but y'all know it's only so much I remember. Without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys did enter the giveaway and did get your keychain, man, the lists are up right now on my community post. So right after this video, man, head over to my YouTube channel, check out my community post, and you can see the list there because the lists are out. And we'll be giving that thing away here shortly, man. I'm just really waiting for it to come back. However, with Harley, I feel like it's gonna take a little minute for that thing to come back. At least that's what they told me today. So we'll get the car situated and then talk about it then. Man, so I didn't even think the bucket was gonna fit back here. So now that we know the bucket fit, I can go get some new towels and stuff like that, and then we can go clean this thing up, get it shining. Cause man, I literally got sunflower seeds and all type of stuff in this car, man. I feel like I'm just treating it not like I thought I was. Like, I don't know, man. We'll just see. But the hats are in, guys. So if you guys got a hat for one of those Road Kings, man, the blue suede is in, and this will be coming your way. I'm getting it shipped out here today. So don't even worry, guys. We're gonna get you solid and good to go, man. Can't wait. This thing looks so good. So freaking good, dog. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. Alrighty, man. Just pulled up to the car wash like we got a bike on the back of this thing, dog. Oh, man, this thing is filthy. We done already vacuumed it out and everything, man. So it's time to get this thing cleaned up for the first time by us. All hand wash. See how clean we can get this thing, man. Alrighty, guys, we got that thing cleaned down, wiped down, looking good, feeling good. Took us a minute, but we back like we never left, man. That A2 special, we might have to pull this thing in the sun so y'all can get the real experience. Yeah, now this is more like it. Definitely more like it. Gotta hit them tires again with some Armor All because we missed the bottom apparently. But she is shining up just how I like. Man, that thing look good, dog. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. This thing got a hell of a lot of curves. But we riding and slide now, man. Made it back home, got the car all cleaned up. Man, so about that Harley, you guys know the radio wasn't cutting on. And then the light was kind of flickering. I don't know if you guys caught that when we turned it on. So the headlight was kind of flickering and the radio wasn't cutting on. So you guys know that thing was a brand new bike, 2020. So, you know, the warranty is still on there. So we're getting a new radio on there and a new headlight. As for the dyno tune, it was like, I guess the previous owner had like a tuner on there. So that's why it's kind of bogging out right now because it doesn't have the tuner attached. So we got to get another tuner, get that thing retuned, get a new ignition because they said the one that was on there was cracked. A few more other little things, but mainly that's it. And then, like, you know, little turn signals and stuff, wires that was just needed to be replaced and all that good stuff. So the Harley should be back, I want to say about the end of the week. If not, shoot, sometime next week. Waiting on parts, but you know how that go, man. So it is what it is. What can we do? As for the green one, man, that thing is at BBV getting everything switched up. We should have that thing in a couple days, man. So trying to find something to give y'all in the meantime, man. So stay tuned. We might have something cool to look at. Meanwhile, like I said, guys, we have our navy blue Everything's Regular hat that just came in. Looks really, really good. And those of you who have ordered are getting shipped out today. So you guys should have it by the weekend. It's a bunch of y'all, so can't wait to see Everything's Regular across the Instagram. And once you get your hat, man, make sure you tag me in your picture of some Everything's Regular, man. But without further ado, It's time to get these things shipped out. And so the task is to get everything from up here downstairs into the truck, into the post office, man. This is gonna be something different, but we'll get it done. So first things first, I gotta move this out the way, move the truck more so in, just so we don't have to carry the packages that far, but they're definitely not gonna fit in here. So the truck is the next best thing. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. We ain't never even really seen the Raptor in the garage before. It looked way bigger inside the garage, man. Y'all see what's going on. All the orders in here piled up in the back and the front seat, man. On our way to the post office. Oh, man, we're gonna have to get like some strollers or some baskets up there, rather. Alrighty, guys. Car full of everything's regular hats headed your way, man. So if you got in and ordered one, man, you will have this thing before the week is up. Can't wait, man. These things actually look really good, and the quality is just crazy, man. Thanks for the support. Let's get to the post office and drop these things off, dog. Alrighty, guys, believe it or not, we are done and shipped out. We are shipped out with all the blue suede hats. This is the second and last batch right here. We already got another whole full cart in there already, so don't get it going, dog. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back here at the public auction. Y'all see what's going on, man. We ain't been here in a long freaking time, man. But without further ado, man, we got the navy blue suede hats here, man. And if you guys cop one of those, man, that thing is headed your way. You should have it before the week is up. Meanwhile, you guys know the giveaway is complete. We will be going live on that momentarily. Trying to wait till I get the bike back to make it make more sense. But if it takes too long, we'll probably end up going live before that, man. So without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's check out some of the best rides they got here today, dog. All right, man. Y'all know how it go, man. We got an 02 Honda Accord here, 363,000 miles on it. The dash, clean title. Body looks pretty fair. You guys know these Hondas right here pretty much run forever. Oh my God, look at the inside. Just looks so clean. For the year and the mileage, definitely looks excellent in here, man. What do you guys think about the Honda so far? It does look good. It is the LX version. I don't know if that's the middle line, top of the line, bottom of the line, but it does look pretty good for what it is. You may be able to score this thing here for like 700 bucks or so, but we'll see what it goes for in the auction later on today. Not really an Explorer guy. Got an 06 Chevy Malibu, 165,000 miles. Body is pretty decent so far. Little gaps and stuff up there, no big deal. We open this up. Does look pretty fair. You got some wear and tear in here, of course, man. These things usually be beat for the most part, interior wise, so can never hope for too much there. But if it runs and dries, hey man, it'll get you from point A to point B just how you need. It is a pretty decent, good car, man. At least it looks like it, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. I ain't popped the hood in so long. Engine looked pretty good. All the fluids and everything look pretty satisfying, I guess, from what we can see. What y'all think though, man? I don't want the rebuilt title Buick LaCrosse, 186,000 miles. We got a 2008 Honda Fit here, 115,000 miles. Pretty decent little Honda here. Low mileage, 115,000. Manual transmission, that's going to be the killer for me, of course. You guys know buying manual cars and driving them is one thing, but then when you try to sell them, you just pretty much cut your market in half, because not too many people is out there looking for a stick shift car. At least I know I'm not. But you know, inside and everything is pretty fair and decent. 115,000 miles. I don't see any damage on the outside, so this may be a pretty decent buy here today. We'll see what it goes for when it comes through the auction today, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. And we got this 2017 Jeep Renegade here, 86,000 miles on the dash. This one is a manual transmission, and I'm looking at it first glance. Looks like it was repainted up here. Still see some little fresh paint marks up there. 86,000 miles. Really nice looking little Jeep here. Throw some nice like lifted up type. Throw some nice like little meaty tires on it. It's already got the manual, so we can definitely go off-roading. Interior is pretty, I mean, it says Jeep. I thought that was just like little white stains and stuff, but definitely still needs to be cleaned out. No big deal though. 2017 Jeep Renegade. If you like it, I love it. Yeah, it definitely looks like a fresh coat of black on this thing. But, hey, at least you got a fresh, new clean paint job. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Okay, 07 Hyundai Santa Fe. The last Santa Fe I had, it wasn't this new at least. Got a little tequila kickage right there. Little tequila kick, no big deal. Looked like they tried to plastic dip the front grill there. You may be able to get that off or spray paint it black, I guess. Pretty good tires on it. Seem pretty fair. Take a quick look at the inside. Now this beige interior is what I hate. It always looks the worst, man. Always looks the worst. Beige interior. Look at the headrests. Look like they had some Soul Glow on that joint, dog. Smells like cigarettes or a casino in that joint, rather. But hey, man, cool little SUV. If you like it, I love it, man. Let your boy know about it in the comments below. What you think? Got a 99 BMW 328i, 182,000 miles. Got the sunroof. A little bit too old for me, but some of you guys might like it out there, man. The interior is covered up. It's got the leather gray interior. Back seats is there, I guess, no big deal. Pretty typical for a 99. Like I said, a little bit too old for my liking. But we got a nice, cool little Ford Fusion here. Cool little Ford Fusion, 2012 Ford Fusion. Got a donut on the front wheel over here, 157,000 miles on the dash. Does have the sunroof, leather interior. This may be the top of the line model of this car, man. It's definitely gonna need some new tires and things is whooped. But we can check out the inside. The seats are pretty decent, no big deal. Pretty typical. Actually looks pretty decent in here. Doesn't smell like a casino, so that's always a plus. Pretty decent looking car here. This definitely still looks pretty current, like it can be on the road and you can actually enjoy it without having looking next to you and be like, man, want something newer. Pretty decent car, man. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. All right, got another one, 2015er here. Jeep Renegade as well. This one actually is an Auto Trans, 35,000 miles. This one actually looks like it might got some fresh paint on it as well. But they're cleaning it up right now, so we'll just check it out really quick. Interior does look pretty fair. It looks a lot better than the other one, that's for sure. At 35,000 miles, I wouldn't mind bidding on this one. This one will be a lot better buy. Couple years older, but a lot of miles less, so we'll see what happens, man. Don't really want the 02 Acura. Don't really want that joint. Ford Freestyle, 200,000 miles. Nah. Buick Lucerne, 104,000 miles. Okay. We got a 06. We got a 06 Buick Lucerne here, 104,000 miles on the dash, and they do have the title on hand, so that means we can buy this today and literally sell it today as soon as we buy it. But if we take a look at the inside, beige interior, but this one is leather. It looks like this person took care of this car a lot more than the other people with the beige interior, at least. Pretty nice looking car interior, and everything is intact. This pretty much is the same car as like the 2006 Chevy Impala. The interior is pretty much dead on, the same radio and everything is the same. So judging the year, if you get like a 2008, see, like this is a 06. Those 06 Impalas have a lot of common problems. So these, I believe, are the same engines. These, I believe, are the same engines. However, never mind. This is something different. It's a North Star V8, man. I don't know about you, but when I hear North Star, I think of Cadillac. So me personally, I'm going to have to pass on the 06. But what y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I don't want the 07 Nissan Maxima. Okay, we got a 2005 Kia Sedona. If you guys don't know, this is like my third or fourth ever car that I got from the auction. Something just like this. Really clean little car that was just understated, and I got it for a really good price. So this is something I probably definitely might bid on today. We got an 05 Kia Sedona here, 127,000 miles. I seen a little tequila kick in the back there, but we'll get to that in a second. Mine's was white. The one I had was white. This one is a nice color as well. The interior seems pretty fair, I suppose. Gray interior cloth, so you can get those things shampooed and it'll look a lot better. It looks like you have the third row back there, and then you're missing a radio here, so that's unfortunate. But it looks like they got some car detailer stuff in there, so whoever had it took pretty good care of it, I suppose. If we come around the back here, no damage to the back, but I did see something over here. A little bit of a tequila kick right there. No big deal. Can probably freaking nail that thing on or screw that thing on or throw some quick paint on there, just sell it like it is. Not too big of a deal because the sliding door still opens and everything. So that wouldn't alter me from buying it at all. Just means we might get it a little bit cheaper, man. What do you guys think though? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 06 Suzuki Forenza, 125,000 miles on the little donut wheels. Them things is freaking tiny, y'all. Freaking tiny, dog. Let's take a look at the inside. The inside actually looks pretty favorable compared to all the other vehicles here. Pretty clean interior. I wouldn't mind driving it if I needed to. But nice little Suzuki. I'm sure it's a gas saver. Couple little dings, tequila kicks and whatnot. Yeah, definitely got a tequila kick right here, but flat tire, no big deal. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Yeah, man, we seen what we needed to see here. We'll probably come back later, see if we can score something for little to nothing. But I'll catch you guys in a sec, man.